Good morning, traders. Today is Tuesday, September 26th. We are into the fall season and looking at the economic calendar, as you should do every day before the trading day starts. There are a couple of reports, one at 9 and several others at 10. Nothing in those reports are going to move the market. So let's move over to the morning news. And the flags are all in the red. As we can see, oil is back up just below $90 a barrel. The 10-year Treasury is 4.52. Wow, mortgage rates and credit card rates are punishing. In terms of the news, what are we looking for in the news? We're looking for entertainment. Entertainment, my friends, because you're not going to find what you really want to know, what you need to know as a trader in the morning news, except if war breaks out or there has been a cure found for cancer. You're not going to see that, and unless you do, there's not going to be anything in the news, whether it's on CNBC, as I use, or in the Wall Street Journal, Barron's, or any place else, that's going to tell you the real piece of information that you want to know, and that is, where will the market go today? The best way to find out where the market will go today is look into the past, because the past holds the key to where the market is going to go in the future. Now, I use Taylor's calculations, and I also use, importantly, the previous day's close, which I always put on my chart as a horizontal line. It's up here at 43.77, where the market closed on Monday. And today the market is going to trade, or should trade, between 43.64 at resistance and down at 43.25 at support, about a 40-point range. And so is this information useful? Well, the Taylor numbers are fairly useful. In fact, they're very useful. If you use Taylor as I do, I'll show you the past several days. The market traded well within the Taylor trading zone each of the past several days. But you'll notice also, let me go back here. You'll notice also that prices also hit the previous day's close. They did on Friday, they did on Monday, although closing down. The trade of the day Monday was the gap trade. And today there is also an opportunity for a gap trade, a fairly big opportunity. Now, the market is always trying to pull tricks on you. So the powers that be know that the gap trade is a trade that all traders look for when it's available. And of course, it will be today. Here is the market, and I'm looking at the market at 9:20, 10 minutes before the open. And the market is trading now at 43.50. The gap is up at 43.77, so a 27-point gap opportunity. Will it close the gap? Very likely. The gap's closed 75% of the time. But again, the powers that be know that traders are going to play this gap trade. So will they take the market down first? Will they fade the gap? Well, that's the big question. We'll have to use patience and see. But as you can see, prices are trading well within the calculated trading zone, which, by the way, I derive using the Taylor calculations. Taylor calculations, there are a dozen calculations that go into it. Read the book, my friends. The Taylor trading technique is one of the most insightful, important books in all of trading education. And the numbers are very difficult to determine. If you want to get them, you can get them from me at my site at timelessdollar.com. But in the meantime, use whatever indicators, whatever sense, whatever tools that you have to trade successfully. So thanks so much for watching. Tuesday, September 26th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video.